हॅलो एव्हरीवन, आज आपण आलो आहोत विकास कॉम्प्लेक्स येथे मिस्टर अँड मिसेस चित्रे यांच्या घरी. रिसेंटली त्यांनी आमच्याकडनं त्यांच्या राहत्या घरातलं आधीचं किचन रेनोव्हेट करून नवीन मॉडलर किचन करून घेतलं. लेट्स हिअर देअर एक्सपिरियन्स अबाउट एलिमेंट्स मॉडलर किचन फ्रॉम देम. So, hello Mr. Chitre.
Hello.
Can you please tell our viewers how was your experience when you visited Elements and
Yes.
when the designing process was going on?
Okay. Thank you so much for your visit. Right from identifying, we have been looking for a vendor or a partner basically who can help us to design our kitchen. We did a lot of search and finally we landed up in Elements Kitchen. Right from our first visit till the last installation of completion of our work, the experience was outstanding, amazing, fantabulous. Everyone from Element took the ownership of completing the work in time. They suggested as per our requirement, though we had a small kitchen, but then we could able to, or they could rather able to utilize every corner, every place of our kitchen, and then outcome is fantastic. We are very happy with the work. We are very happy with the Element, and we would like to recommend Element Kitchen to other customers as well. Thank you.
I absolutely agree.
Yeah, glad to hear that.
Absolutely agree.
Yeah.
And we are very happy, very satisfied.
मिसेस चित्रे, जेव्हा तुमचं आधीचं किचन आणि आताचं किचन यातला फरक तुम्हाला आता कसा जाणवतो वेन यू आर युझिंग द किचन?
आधी माझ्याकडे स्टोरेज खूप कमी होतं आणि खूप इझी होऊन जायचं, कारण भांडी कढई इतके होते आणि जागा कमी. पण आता त्याच किचन मध्ये तीच भांडी, पण आता मला स्टोरेज इतकं मिळालंय आणि उरलं आहे. Place is more.
Absolutely, because every thing has got their own place.
Yes, exactly.
Right. So that is the beauty of
That
modular
is the
kitchen, the beauty of perfect planning also.
Yes. आणि परफेक्ट टाईल सिलेक्शन आणि फ्लोरिंग आणि इतकं छान.
मुख्य म्हणजे टीम एलिमेंटचं जे कॉर्डिनेशन होतं विथ द डिफरंट वेंडर्स, दॅट वॉज ग्रेट. आय मीन वी नेव्हर हॅड एनी इश्यू विथ द कॉर्डिनेशन, because in this project coordination, timely coordination is very important. It's a project, so
Right.
timely coordination is very important to complete the work.
And I remember you had some timelines to follow because you wanted to go
Yes,
to
we
US.
wanted to complete the work because we were planning to travel, and then we
Right.
wanted to complete the work, and then we completed the work with plenty of time in hand, and we could travel to US peacefully.
Nice to hear that. You recommend Elements Modular Kitchens to your friends and family?
We have already done,
Definitely,
we have already started
definitely,
doing
and we have
that.
already done it.
We have already done that.
Oh, thank you so much.
दिल का ये क्या राज है, जाने क्या कर गए, जैसे अंधेरों में तुम चांदनी भर गए. दिल का ये क्या राज है, जाने क्या कर गए, जैसे अंधेरों में तुम चांदनी भर